What's happening, everyone? It's Justin from Black Bear Creative, and today we're going to do a reboot on an old video of the how to add a custom letterhead to your Word document. So once you've opened up your Word document, a nice blank page here, we're going to go to File, Page Setup. Make sure that your page is set up to the correct dimensions of your design. So we're doing A4, just not borderless, just normal A4, and you can just change this to whatever spec you need. We've got orientation, so we're going to just go portrait. We're not doing horizontal, we're just doing portrait. Keep it simple, and scale at 100%. We're going to double click on the top until we see this header mark. And if I hover on the bottom, we can see the footer here. So when we're at the top here, at the header, we're going to insert the top picture or pictures from file. Now I'm going to select one we've previously done. So this one here is going to check. So this was designed in Adobe Illustrator. The actual design itself can be done wherever, as long as you can export it as a high-res JPEG, 300 dpi, so it's nice for print. So we're going to insert this guy here. We need to, when this actual image is selected, on the top bar here, you can go and change this to sit behind text, like so, or you can right-click and go to size and position. And then if you go text wrapping, you can go sit behind text as well. So once that's done, we want to position this as well in the middle, right in the center. So you can do that with the top, at the top here, go to center, or you can right click, format, size and position, sorry, and change the alignment to centered, vertical to centered. But in this particular setting here, we can do more. So we can go to alignment centered relative to the page, vertical alignment centered relative to the page as well. And so text wrapping already done. So we're going to sit behind, make sure that it is selected behind the text. And we're going to go to size and width. We're just going to type in 21 centimeters and tab. So this should make it the exact size, A4 size. And we're going to click OK. And just double check, make sure everything is right to the edge. And I'm still in the header and footer section, so I can't actually add anything in here. So I need to, once I'm in the header and footer section, I'll just close header and footer. And you'll see this go light. So this is not how it will print out. This is just showing you that it's locked. And if I double click, I'm back in. If I click out, it's locked again. So if I click and drag, I can't move this image behind. Only if I double click on the header or footer itself. So once that's done, it's good for me, so I know I'm not going to move anything by accident. But now we're just going to change the margins so we can add some text. So as you can see, it's overlapped a bit on the actual design. So I just want to change the actual margins so they fit the text nicely. So this is just some placeholder text in the middle, just so I can play around with. So I can either do it from here, but the best way I find is doing it through layout, margins, and do custom margins. So once we've got the custom margins, I can play around with the top. So you can see it's a bit cutting, it's cutting the logo a bit there, which we don't want. So I'm going to put it at, let's go 4 centimeters. And the bottom, let's just go 3. and apply to the whole document. I can change the left and right, but I just want to check the top and bottom first. Cool. So you can see here that it's not cutting into the actual design, and we've gave a bit of a breathing room. I think there's 3 centimeters from the bottom. You can see it here. You can change it from here as well if you click and drag. But we've got a bit of room in the bottom there. So if we fill the whole page with text, it won't overlap the footer. So yeah, once that's done, you can change the actual side gutters as well. If you want that more in line with here, we can do that if you want. So same thing again, go to margins, custom margins. We can go left. We'll just do 1 centimeter. Make the right 1 centimeter. And you can see it's changed it again. So it's not as much room on the side, but I don't like that. So we're just gonna Command Z, go back. That's pretty much it. From here, you can go back to, so if we go home, we can go back and format the actual text itself. So we can change the font to whatever, change the font size, format how we want, and then save that as a template. And that's pretty much it. So whenever you're ready to go and to use a new letterhead document, you just upload this, open this file and type away, and yeah, it's already done for you.